I'm so excited for this jollof day Owambe. Tatashe so juicy. You're coming too? Yes, ke. We might sure be set. Onion baby, give us. It's Atarudo, eh? They like to feel too special, I beg. We heard you. What spicy pepper and paste? Hey, ginger garlic bay leaves. Welcome, oh. I beg, who are these ones? Let's go and get ready, Sha. Because this journey is 10 days. Well, let's relax more. Did you see those other ones that want to join the bus to the Owambe? Time and Basil Abi. Yes, so imagine. This Jollof just likes to invite everybody. I don't understand. Why do they even want to come? Time I understand. But Basil, let's just allow them, Sha. Oh yeah, let's enter the bus. Move for me now, move for me. Shift small, I beg, sister me. Who be your sister? We are shift small, I beg. Driver, we are put fuel for motor, make we dey go. This is a 10-day journey, I beg. Now what? It's time to party. For this party, let's lay out the red carpet because I believe Jollof deserves the best. Onions for sweetness. Tomato paste for color. Even our tomato pepper friends that have endured this long bus ride for 10 days. Let's not leave out thyme and bay leaves, regardless of what the gossiping tomatoes say. Because our jollof deserves the best, Onga stews to the rescue. Our meats are not even left out in this rich goodness. Finally, the best Abakaliki rice Nigeria has to offer. Delicious. What is an Owambe without party rice? What is party rice without the jollof pot? What is a jollof pot without firewood? That smoky goodness makes all the difference. The journey of 10 days, so worth it.
Onga.